Today we're gonna optimize our disk. We're gonna make it faster, clean all types of temporary files and little remainings of software we installed or updates, and that's gonna make our computer much faster. So we're gonna use this the Ccleaner software, which is a free software that you can download and install for free. There's also a pro version, and I'm going to show you here that you can go to my website, orvcomputers.com, and then you can go to requests, download Windows software, and here you can click on download Ccleaner. It's going to ask you for an OK. So here we will download Ccleaner Setup 615. That's the last version. We save it, and then we will run it and install it. When you install it, when you run it, it will ask you for a yes or no. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. And here you will install Ccleaner on your drive. Install. It's in Spanish. I'm going to change it to English. Let's see where English is. English. So now it's going to be in English. Install. It will offer you some extra software. I will decline it. It's asking you to install or offering you to install AVG antivirus. I'm going to decline it. And it's going to install Ccleaner. Here we will run Ccleaner. If you click run Ccleaner, when this is checked, it's going to show you notes, release notes. I'm going to uncheck that. We don't need that. And we will run Ccleaner. And here it's going to scan your drive. And it says Ccleaner free is ready. Continue. Then we start Ccleaner. That only happens the first time. And we go to scan PC. And it's telling me that Edge, Google Chrome, and OneDrive are open, and it needs to close them in order to perform the cleanup. So I'm going to close and analyze. And here it shows you your PC feels under the weather. Make it better. And I'm going to click on make it better. It says patching up your PC. It takes a few seconds. It could take a minute. It depends on how long, how long did you take to clean the computer. If you haven't done any cleanup, it's going to take longer and longer. So here it says it's done, and it's offering you to do more with the pro version. This video is only about the free version. Then I'm going to perform a custom clean, which is going to be very fast because everything is clean already. But I want to make sure we set it up the first time. We go to Analyze. And once it finds something, when we run the cleaner, it will ask you, didn't ask for anything, but if it asks you, you check a box so it doesn't ask you again. There's a box that says, do not ask again or something like that. So we are done here. and we're going to the registry option. These are the three options that we can use using the free version. So on registry, scan for issues. It takes a minute. It could take more than that. It depends on how full is your registry. So here it got to 100%. So now I go to review selected issues. And then it says, do you want to back up the registry before making changes? I will go with a yes. And it shows you here, it will save it in the documents folder. I like to use it somewhere else. So I go to this PC and I go to my C drive, and here I have something called, it's a folder I created, reg BKP or registry backup. I double click there and I save it there just to keep it separate from my other folders, and save. Then fix all selected issues, that's your option, and close. I usually run it a second time. It's not necessary, but I like to do that. And this time, I'm not going to save the backup for the registry because I just did it. It didn't find anything, so we're done. And this is it, but if you want, we can also use disk cleanup. Right here on the search bar, we click disk, and the first option that shows is disk cleanup. I click on disk cleanup. It shows me the C drive. I'm gonna keep C and click OK. And here, I want to make sure all the boxes are checked. So I remove temporary internet files and other stuff we don't need, but they are files that will keep your computer a little slower. So here I go with OK and delete files. That's going to make your computer a little faster, and Windows will load also faster. If you want to do it a second time, we do it a second time, but this time we will clean up system files. So these are files that remain when you update the computer, update Windows, and it doesn't delete some files. So we go here with clean up system files, leave the C selected and click OK again. This takes a little longer. In my case, it's a little faster because I usually do that once a week, and it's telling me that it's gonna remove, or better saying, it's gonna get you almost 3 gigabytes more than all these files take in your disk. So your disk will have like 3 more gigabytes of space, free space. And we click OK. Delete files, and it will probably take a little while, longer than the other one that we performed before. And this is very good for your computer. It will make your computer faster. Your applications will load and run faster. And we should do this, like, I would say once a week. It's taking a little longer. We'll be done in probably within a minute. These are very important maintenance procedures that we can use to keep our computer running smooth. And we're almost done here. It took a little longer. I had to train the video. When this is done, it usually disappears. If you're not paying attention, you think something went wrong, but usually it disappears at the end. And what I usually do here is I restart my computer, and when it restarts, it's going to be a little faster. And to restart it, we know you go here, power button, and restart or shut down. I will restart it, but not now because I don't want to lose the end of the video. Don't forget to give us a like if you like this video. It helps us reach more people like you.